Well, hi there. Welcome back. Dan again from CleanGuru. So I want to mention a couple things to be careful about. Be careful about these two things if your goal is to have a more scalable business with larger, more reliable accounts. And that sounds like something that a lot of people would want, a lot of cleaning business owners. Here are the two things to be careful of that can sometimes, I hear it in Facebook groups, I can see this, it sometimes is keeping people, I think, from getting to the goal. And those two things are sometimes they're doing a lot of subcontracted work or they're doing a lot of small one-time smaller jobs. Now again, some subcontracting is okay. When you're first getting started, you want to get some experience, some references, but you want to move towards accounts there you hold a contract. Smaller jobs, let's say someone's doing telemarketing or whatever, or they're getting referred and they're picking up a lot of one-time $600 jobs where you just get paid once, or a real small $395 job, but you only clean them once a week. They can be good accounts. In fact, the profit margin can be good on them. I'm not saying they can't, but you wouldn't want that to be that. You wouldn't want that to get you so busy that you don't have time at reaching out to get larger accounts. What are larger accounts? Well, I realize that depends too, but let's say jobs that are reoccurring every month you're going to be cleaning. And the price per month, the charge per month is, let's say, $1,000 or $1,500 to $4,500 a month or more. So $1,000 to $5,000 a month or more. Larger, more stable, more scalable business you can create by getting those larger accounts. Now they're harder to find. It's like farming, trying to get them, as opposed to sometimes it's easier to get the smaller accounts. Those you can get a little bit quicker. There's nothing wrong with them, but make sure you have enough time set aside to still be reaching out to start to add the larger accounts so that you can have a more scalable, more reliable, more profitable cleaning business in the future. Till next time, remember, you can do this. You really can.